Let's set up string lights with the lighting posts. This setup has 5 pieces, a lighting kit, and requires scissors, zip ties, a ladder, and 2 people. Larger setups may require additional quantities. Start by placing the base on a flat surface. Slide the lighting post into the base opening, making sure the end with the metal hook is at the top. If needed, add an extension cord to the strand of lights. Connect these by tying in a knot. This helps prevent the lights from unplugging when raised. Place your ladder close beside the post. Taking the end of the lights and a zip tie, hold the strand beside the metal loop at the top. Slide the zip tie through the loop and around the strand, then tighten to secure in place. Trim excess for a clean finish. Carefully stretch the string lights between the lighting posts, repeating the attachment process. Allow the strand to swag slightly between the posts. Too much tension can create damage. With glass lights, it's possible you break a bulb. The lighting kit provided will have additional bulbs to use if one is broken or not working. Plug your lights in and you're all set. Looking for more tutorials? Check out our website for more videos.